Thank you, Star Seeds, Light Workers, Indigos, and Humans, for joining another transmission. I'm here to talk about peacefulness and the reality of the new earth, and how peacefulness resides within, in your heart chakra. The actual expression of this peacefulness is a natural feeling, as being at the ocean, or feeling the breeze or the waves, and hearing the sounds against the shore. It's a natural expression of being peaceful. This peacefulness is naturally uh, an elevation in your soul, in your being, to connect more with our galactic realms. It's a natural unification of downloads energetically for each of you here for the new earth. I love you eternally, naturally, always.